What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In tonight's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing, and this is the Allure Beauty Box from February. Just get home from a Galentine's event, so if you want to see how I got this chocolate and roses makeup look, you can check it out here. This is what it's looking like inside. So, first things first. First item I see is a waterproof makeup remover from Sephora. Okay, that's always good to have on hand, especially with summer coming up. Next is the roll-on cuticle oil, milk and honey. Doesn't really smell like much, but it's a cuticle oil. That's what it's doing. Okay, next is the Sadia Solid Perfume. You did get to choose which scent you wanted for this item. The component is absolutely beautiful. It's really heavy and it's metal. It smells really good. How beautiful is that? It was braless, and this is leather and vanilla. So, love that, and it's such a beautiful component. I literally can't get enough of it. It just feels so luxurious, and it smells really good. So this is the C&P Laboratory Propolis Glycerin. It's like a lip treatment. And this actually reminds me of the Fenty Beauty. It's like a very similar component. The Fenty dips in. This one kind of curves out. But it is a lip treatment. Love that. Okay, next is the Bronze and Glow Drops from First Aid Beauty. So many people have come out with these since like the Drunk Elephant. So that's what this looks like. It has no scent and it's very sheer. Beautiful. And last in this month's box is the Ouzo Black Liquid Eyeliner. Shake well. Okay, so this is like a liquid eyeliner. Okay, it's like a super fine tip. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry down for a minute and see how that works, but that looks promising. So far, so good. And that is what was in my Allure Beauty Box for February. If you like these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.